Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use emoji reaction stickers on Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and now you want to use emoji reaction stickers, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just swipe it to right and you will get this type pop-up. You can easily click the photo directly, but I'm going to choose in gallery and here just select the photo as I have selected this one. Now you just have to tap on the sticker icon in the top corner, just tap on it and here you will get the emoji sticker. Just select it and you can easily move it or change the sticker which you want, and after that just tap on done and then select your story. And that's how you can easily use emoji reaction stickers on Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.